Hey guys, Rob from myppctraining.com, and today's video I just want to go over what a Google ad group is and how it works into the overall AdWords campaign and what the structure looks like. So the diagram you're looking at is a basic AdWords campaign, okay? At the top you have your main campaign here, whatever your name of your campaign is, and under the campaign you have ad groups. So you can have as many ad groups as you want, okay? So if, let's say, our main AdWords campaign was a plumber in Philadelphia, this ad group 1 would be plumbing contractors. Ad group number 2 would be plumbing services. Ad group number 3 would be, plumbing, Philadelphia plumbers, okay? So each ad group is a different theme, okay? And underneath each ad group are your keywords. Now, the keywords underneath each ad group have to be the same theme as the overall ad group. So if ad group 1 is plumbing contractors, all the keywords underneath plumbing contractors ad group are going to be about plumbing contractors. Plumbing contractor, plumbing contractors near me, local plumbing contractors, etc. So that's how every ad group is going to work. You're going to have your overall ad group theme. You're going to have themed keywords for that ad group, and then you're going to have ads, okay? So each of your ads under each ad group is going to be themed the same way. So in our example here, ad group 1 is plumbing contractors. We're going to have all of our plumbing contractor keywords, and then it's going to go to an ad that talks about plumbing contractor, or how to find a plumbing contractor, how to contact one to resolve your issue, etc. Okay, so that's really it. That's the gist. That's the basic layout of how an AdWords campaign works and how ad groups work into them. Now, this is how you should build all of your campaigns. Okay, nice, neat in a row theme. Okay, ad group 1, plumbing contractor, keywords under ad group 1, plumbing contractor keywords, ads under ad group 1, plumbing contractor ads. All right. So if ad group 3 is Philadelphia plumbers, keywords, all Philadelphia plumbing keywords, Philadelphia plumber keywords, ads, Philadelphia plumber, find a Philadelphia plumber, etc. Okay? That's how it works. It's really that simple. Now I'm going to go into an actual campaign and show you what it looks like. So if you remember, here's our campaign name here for our demo campaign we have for our agency. So here's the AdWords campaign, and that's right here. If you open that up, you're going to see all of our ad groups. So these are all different ad groups like this. They're all right here. So that if we go into those ad groups, you're going to see all of our keywords. Now the ad group's called White Label PPC Management. Look at our keywords, White Label PPC Management, etc. All right. AdWords campaign, ad group, keywords. Now if we go up here into ads, here's all our ads. White Label PPC Management, right, worked in right here. Okay. Agency, stuff like that. All very, very relevant. All right? Very important to understand. So if you guys have any questions about how ad groups work or how they're structured or how to keep everything in sync, anything like that, drop them below this video. I'll dive in and give you a hand. And make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video if you appreciate the content, if you like it. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We drop content almost daily now, so if not daily. Sometimes multiple videos a day. We're on a real tear right now, so I'm putting a lot of cool stuff out for you guys. And don't forget to check out the links in the description. I put some really awesome content in there for you, and a free guide on how to optimize your AdWords campaigns and turn around even the worst AdWords campaigns. So I think you'll find a lot of value in that. Besides that, I will see you guys in the next video.